A good day to all. Welcome to ATL Marathon 2020. This is Thomas and Aditya.
Mr. Kumar and Mr. Sharma are meeting after a long time.
I'm Mr. Kumar.
And I'm Mr. Sharma.
How are you? How is your business going on, Sharma?
I'm fine, Kumar. My business was going on really well until I got a notice from the government asking me to pay a fine. So how did you set up your business?
Actually, I use an app called Embark, which is really user-friendly. It explains all the steps clearly and helped me set up my business with the government.
Oh wow, can you explain something more about this app?
Sure, I will.
Micro, small, and medium enterprises are the growth accelerators of the Indian economy, and they play an important role in employment generation. They employ about 120 million people across the country. When many different businesses are set up, it creates more job opportunities, which brings up the economy as well as help the country's infrastructure get better.
Many people in small towns and villages would like to become entrepreneurs, but are afraid to do so because it involves registration and other legal procedures. Sometimes they would have to pay huge amounts to the people who help them in this process. So this is why many people walk away from the business idea.
This is where our app comes in. It's user-friendly and the only app that focuses on setting up a business and not enhancing one. The app mainly has two parts. The first part consists of general procedures. It mainly aims to guide through the applications like director identification number so that all the registrations with the government are complete. The specific sections like food, organic farming, etc. help in giving further assistance on the setup of a business. This mainly develops transparency and provides information to them regarding setting up a business.
When the app was shared with some of our teachers and friends to know how it works, we got to know that we need to add guidelines for each step so that it makes the work for the user easy. So far, the people aiming to start a food business can be benefited by the app, but we plan to extend it to various sectors as an extension. We even plan to convert the app into local languages so that we can establish a better connect with our users. We even plan to include a forum regarding feedbacks and queries so that we can update the information of the app.